The latest breaking news that's coming in when it comes to the Pune Porsche cover-up case. The Pune District Court has remanded both the corrupt doctors of Pune's Sassoon Hospital to police custody till the 30th of May. One of the staffer has also been remanded to police custody. We've accessed the remand note in this very case, and the remand note also puts the spotlight on the cover-up angle, which has become the top focus of the investigation. In the remand note, the details of which we're going to read out shortly, it has been said that there was an attempt to destroy evidence and official documents for swapping blood samples. Money also exchanged hands, and a conspiracy was hatched to save the VVIP brat. Now, what we're also getting to know is that the police have said that they need to, in fact, bring all the accused together for interrogation. My colleague Pranesh is joining us from the newsroom. Pranesh, we've accessed the remand note. The conspiracy angle is coming to the focus. The cover-up angle is the top focus. What does the remand note go on to say?
Sagarika, earlier this morning, the Pune police chief held a press conference and he confirmed the Times Now news break, wherein we had told our viewers that there was a sabotage attempt. What this remand note tells us is that how meticulous was the plan hatched by the two government doctors. We know their names. Let's focus on point number one. It says, शासकीय पदाचार गैर परवा और करून त्याचा रक्ताना नमुना बदलून पुरावा नष्ट केलेला आहे. सदर बाबत अटक आरोपींची समोर चौकशी करणे आवश्यक आहे. That the two doctors tampered with the blood samples and their custodial interrogation and confrontation with each other and other people in this case is required, which is why we are seeking their remand. Then the next point says, कोण्याच्या साम्यपूर्ण वरील प्रमाणे विधी संघर्षित बालकाच्या रक्तांचा नमुना बदलेला आहे. त्यांच्या अटक आरोपींच्या मदतीने शोक घेऊन त्यांना नमूद गुन्हा. What this essentially means is that there was an attempt to declare the juvenile in conflict with law as innocent, and to meet that end, they deliberately tampered with the blood samples. This is really the sum and substance of the remand note as far as these two people are concerned. The police seeking their custody.
Yes, so they've now been remanded to custody.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.